Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the AUXTUR, it's the cabinet hardware jig, and so I have drawers here that do not have handles yet, and I have a handle, so this is what it's for. So this is going to give me the ability to line it up and get my handle in the correct location. So you see you've got the little device here, so to set it up we would screw it on here. Let's say I want mine to go, I think I said 8 centimeters down, so I'm going to go 8 centimeters down. So what's that's going to do is that's going to line up where the holes are going to be. So I said 8 centimeters down, and then my handle is here, and I can look at it here and I can go, okay, this handle is, I know it's going to be a 3-inch space, so I have to put these little holes on the 3s. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. I put it right there to the 3, tighten it up. This one here to the 3. Why is this one so loose? Okay, there we go. That one's on the 3, that one's on the 3. So now we have it set up. So it'll line up right in the center of those when it's done. So now all I have to do, so now that I've got this set up, I'll be able to do several different drawers with it. I can do this drawer here. Let me make sure there's nothing behind it. And I did mark the center already of my drawer. So I just kind of look through here and look right there. I can see my little dot right in the center of it, and that's where I'm going. So then I have the hole here, and I have the right size bit. This one here is a, what was it? It was 5/32. That's what you need for cabinet handles, the screws. So then I'll just go right here, and if I can get it in there, there we go. And there's one screw. There's one, that's where one will go. And there we go. So now I have my cabinet holes drilled.
Okay. So you already got the piece out of the way. Tell me when.
Okay.
Oh, it's still running.
Oh, okay, yeah, I got that piece out of the way, so now I can fit these things in here. And where's my handle go? Here. And I can screw it on. You know what? I'm gonna have too much space here because I'm only going through a single ply of the wood. It's gonna be too much space. But I'll just push this in, and you see the general idea here. Now I have a handle on there, and it's perfectly spaced, perfect. I can just move on to the next one, the next one, next one, get them all done. So how cool is that? This is perfect for doing cabinet hardware. So thumbs up for me.